Do you want to speak English every day? Let's learn simple sentences to talk about your daily routine. Let's begin. Morning routine. I wake up.
I wake up.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I get up.
I get up.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I yawn.
I yawn.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my body.
I dry my body.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I put on my clothes.
I put on my clothes.
I wear my socks.
I wear my socks.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I say goodbye.
I say goodbye.
I go to school.
I go to school.
At school, I walk to school.
I walk to school.
I take the bus.
I take the bus.
I see my friends.
I see my friends.
I say hello.
I say hello.
I sit in my chair.
I sit in my chair.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I answer a question.
I answer a question.
I learn new words.
I learn new words.
I count numbers.
I count numbers.
I sing a song.
I sing a song.
I eat my snack.
I eat my snack.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I play outside.
I play outside.
I run with my friends.
I run with my friends.
I jump.
I jump.
I laugh.
I laugh.
Afternoon routine. I finish my class.
I finish my class.
I say goodbye.
I say goodbye.
I go home.
I go home.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
I help my dad.
I help my dad.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I rest on the sofa.
I rest on the sofa.
I take a nap.
I take a nap.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I color a picture.
I color a picture.
I write my name.
I write my name.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Evening routine. I go outside.
I go outside.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I ride my bike.
I ride my bike.
I skip rope.
I skip rope.
I kick a ball.
I kick a ball.
I run fast.
I run fast.
I go home.
I go home.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I drink soup.
I drink soup.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I eat vegetables.
I eat vegetables.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I talk to my family.
I talk to my family.
I smile.
I smile.
I laugh.
I laugh.
I feed my pet.
I feed my pet.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I dance.
I dance.
I sing.
I sing.
Night routine. I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I read a story.
I read a story.
I close my book.
I close my book.
I say goodnight.
I say goodnight.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I rest my head.
I rest my head.
I hug my pillow.
I hug my pillow.
I sleep.
I sleep.
I dream.
I dream.
I hear birds.
I hear birds.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I start a new day.
I start a new day.
Great job! Now you can talk about your daily routine in English. Keep practicing. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. This will improve your English speaking. Morning routine. At school, afternoon routine. Evening routine. Night routine. Great job! Now you can talk about your daily routine in English. Keep practicing. Did you learn something new? Comment your favorite sentence below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Vivid Kids English for more lessons.